Hey guys, what's up? It's Richard here again with High Caliber Carpentry LLC. We've been working diligently on the crawl space and we got the footers poured and they're dry, so that's good to go. So now we're ready to finally start putting in the supports. I'm so excited. We've been working on these things, and this support consists of 3 pieces of wood that's been stacked together, and you can see the bolts in the middle of it. That's per the engineer's specifications, so we bolted all of them together to create a good bond, good strength throughout. So the next thing is to, on top of the footers that we've already poured, we're going to be putting these cinder blocks here and there. Also, this thing is not to scale. It's just for display purpose only, illustrative purposes only. So we got the 2 cinder blocks we'll be placing on top in the middle of those footers, which were poured by concrete. On top of those, we'll be putting this support system, which then holds our existing framing. And then afterwards, what we're going to do when this is properly supported, when the house is properly supported here, we're going to be cutting these joists off right here. So essentially what it's going to look like when it's cut is these joists are going to come, 1-2 boards in, and we're going to leave this other one exposed. Well, why do that? Let me tell you. What's going to happen is, these are going to be wavy. They're strong, don't get me wrong, but in order to prevent racking like this and support structural integrity, what we're going to be doing is putting another board on the front of these, and this one will run the length of all of these going this way, so you won't be able to see under the crawl space anymore from this perspective. You will be able to from underneath here. So again, we're going to be putting this on here to close off the crawl space, create some support for our new framing that will be going on the porch. We'll put some weatherproofing over this, we call it flashing, and then it'll be ready for the flooring, the new pressure treated flooring that we'll be putting in. So what's important about this is it's all exterior grade wood. It's going to last a really long time, especially treated with special chemicals to make sure that it will naturally, it got chemicals in there, so not naturally, to make sure that it will resist rot, insects, decay, moisture, things that normally occur with regular wood. This is treated against. That's why it's called pressure treated wood. So that's what we're working on. I wanted to show you while we're outside of the crawl space so I don't have to finagle the camera and show you guys in some awkward positions. But again, this isn't to scale, simply for illustrative purposes only. But we're going to be putting that in right now. I'm going to keep you guys updated and show you what the finished product looks like, what we wind up doing, and give you a better view of what it looks like from my brain, put it on the house, and hopefully it'll make more sense at that time. But thanks for tuning in. I'll keep you updated. God bless.